Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to do a project share. Okay, so I did a Temu haul and I'm gonna leave all the information down below if you guys are interested in shopping with Temu. If you've never downloaded the app, you can get some free items, you can get a coupon code and all that good stuff down below. Make sure you use my code. And then I will have the videos linked down below and these items linked down below. So I opened my Temu package and I'm gonna share with you guys. All right, so this is one of the trims that I shared. And I don't know why I grabbed one of these, guys. I need to get, oh my God, my baby A was going crazy. I need to get like 5 yards of this or more. And then I also picked up this one. And I had it in my cart, but when I saw Leanna show it, like in person, I had to have it. I had to go ahead and place the order. So thank you for that, Leanna. And then these are, like, you remember they sent me that package with them all bunched up? I sent them a picture, guys, and I was like, you guys sent this to me. It was not like it was pictured. And it's like all wrinkled everywhere and crazy. And so they have the best customer service, guys. Like, I never have no issues with Temu. Anytime I come to them about something, they will typically give me my money back without having to return anything. And that's what they did. They gave me a credit for this. They asked me if I wanted my money back or a credit. I just went ahead and got a credit because I already know I'm going to be placing another order. You know what I mean? But I wanted to share with you guys how that bundle looked. How it looks now. I just went ahead and I put them all together. So it comes with the pink, the yellow, the purple, the blue. And then right here is the peach, the green, and the white. Okay? So I have a tutorial on my channel, you guys. And I will link it down below if anyone is interested. But, you know, Hobby Lobby, they've been, here they go. These are the infamous Hobby Lobby bows. I fell in love with these. I like velvet, but I like velvet bows, but I never was really like too big into them. And until I got these and I started putting them on my tassels, and I'm like, oh my God, they're so pretty. I've been putting them on all kind of projects. And I had to have these in different colors, so I came up with a tutorial. I'll link it down below if you haven't seen it. And I've been making these bows, guys. Look at how beautiful that ombre one looks. These are perfect for spring, for summer crafting, really for anything. I love the different colors that come up. Look at how pretty, guys. I went crazy and I made a ton of them. I made a ton. A ton. I used damn near the whole thing, guys. So I have to buy another order. And you guys better not go and buy all of them and I can't get no more, because I'm going to be so mad at you guys if you do that to me. I'll probably low-key place my order before I publish this video, because I know you guys. You guys are savages, just like me. Okay, so those are those. And then look at the pink ones with the trim. So pretty. They have other colors. And I'm going to have to get my hands on them because you know I'm a sucker for love. I mean, a sucker for love. A sucker for gold and pink. Oh, my God. You know I'm a sucker. So I had a boho session. And, you know, I was not having the best day or whatever. I had a little stink attitude and all that stuff, which I don't want to be like that. And so I started to make my bows, guys. And I promise you, it was so therapeutic and I just was happy. I was in my happy space. My husband was even like, you all right now? And I was like, yeah, I feel better because I made bows. So yeah, guys, that's it. Really short share. Just wanted to share my bows with you guys. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about these. And I can't wait to make other colors. But for now, these are labor of loves, guys. You got to like sit down and watch something and create these. And just go crazy, okay? So I'll leave a tutorial in case you are interested. And you guys better not buy all of this or I'm going to be so mad at you if it's sold out. I'm going to be mad at you guys. And you better comment down below and let me know who was the one who bought it all too, okay? All right, I love you guys and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.